This is the Vont Smart LED strip lights. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a quick start guide, the power adapter to a barrel jack connector. They give you the control box for it right here. Power plugs into that, and the strip lights plug into that. 3M adhesive on the back. You get, of course, the strip lights, 16.4 feet long and can be cut to length. And over here you get some clips for it as well. So if we take a closer look, you can see how it would fit in that channel right there. And they all have adhesive on the back, and there's also screws in case you wanted to mount it up like that. There you can see the channels there that the strip light would go in, and the holes for the screws. A common problem with these strip lights is you never know which way is right to plug it in. Well, Vont has that figured out. You see on the right here, that's the connector for the strip lights themselves, and it's keyed. It has that bump on it right there, and there's a clip, so it'll plug in so the bump is under the clip, and that way you can only get it right. So with all of that plugged in, I just took some off of the roll right there, just so we could see it a little bit better. You have your control box. Hit the power button. There you go. They all light up. Nice and bright. You can change the color. So I'm going to run through them quickly here until we get back to red, just so you can see all the different colors there. And then you have this other button here which will make them flash, and if you hold it, they'll dim down and then get brighter again. So let's get that bright again. There we go. And we'll go back to red just to stay there for a minute. And there we are. So these are really nice. You can just put them on, well, basically anything you want, because there's adhesive on the back, and there's that, and it'll just create a nice red glow, or whatever color you have it set to, like that. Now if you want a more low-tech approach, you can download the Vont Home App and set that up so you can use your tablet or phone with it. So in the app, we can go ahead and hit the plus button there, and it sees it already. We'll choose it. And now it's going to go ahead and set that up. The lights have changed color by themselves, and it called itself the Smart Strip Light 16.4 feet. I'm just going to call it Strip Light. And now it wants to know the Wi-Fi network, so that's fine right there. And we'll go ahead and let that get itself set up. There we are. That's all in. And now we can do any number of things. Let me get the strip lights over here in frame, so this way you could see them. It's going to be a bit hard to see the tablet really with the light there, but you can see like there's a brightness, so I can run that down. There we are right there. It got dimmer, make it bright again, and this way you get the idea. Let me get the camera reconfigured here so you can see a bit better. So you already saw the brightness control, which I'll show you again. You can dim it down, dim it way down, and put it all the way bright again. You can, of course, just turn it off if you want and turn it on. There's even a schedule that you can set up as well that will allow you to have it turn on and off whenever you like. And there's colors right on the app. See if that'll readjust. You could just select them, like if you want green, there you go, it's green. And you can select anything you want right there. So we'll go through the various colors that are there just like that. And then there's a color wheel as well right here, so you can dial in any color you want. So if you want something in, let's see, maybe the gold, where should we go? Maybe a greenish, somewhere there like that. You can see as you adjust it, more into the blue, more into the red, so you can get all different colors just like that by just moving around on the color wheel. So that's nice. And there are other types of color wheels as well. We'll go back to that a second. That one, and of course you have all of this here as well. So you can go through, let's do that for example. So there's all different colors and all kinds of stuff that you can do with that. And you can even select your own colors and have it stay that way if you want also. There's a scene mode as well. So now we get into the different flashing modes, and there's a whole host of different options here that you can choose from. So we'll just go through some of them here. This one is a sort of breathing mode where it'll go into, this one is called profound, warm, that is pretty warm and nice like that. And there's different varieties like life and nature and festival and stuff like that. And there's also the music mode where it can adjust based on the sound and music that's playing. As you see, it kind of does its thing when I speak, just like that. But of course, there's more. For an even more low-tech approach, if you have a voice assistant, such as an Amazon Echo or Google Home, you can link your Vont account with that device. For this, for example, I simply went into the app for it and went to the skill store and selected Vont Home. Just sign into that. It's up and running. There's nothing to it. And now you just ask, Alexa, set the strip lights to green.
Okay.
Alexa, set the strip lights to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the strip lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the strip lights.
Okay.
Alexa, dim the strip lights to 10%.
Okay.
Alexa, set the strip lights to 100%.
Okay.
Well, that made it super easy now, didn't it? It's just that easy. I have tested numerous different strip light sets, and not a single one of them has had such a smooth and easy setup, especially with the Vont Home app. That came up, and it's set up, it was almost lightning fast compared to all the rest. Some of them wait for a minute and a half before they set up. This is like it found it already. It's like it's ready to be set up. Just hit it. It connects to it. It says, give me a Wi-Fi and a password. It got that, and it's up and running. It works with the app. Control it anywhere in the world as long as you have a connection. And then, for a voice assistant, it was just as easy. I just went into the app for that, selected Vont Home, signed in. It's connected. There was nothing more to do. It just plain works. And it works really, really well. They're nice and bright. They don't get hot. You can cut them to length, by the way. Like right here is a cut mark, and you can cut the strip right there, and then that would be just this piece up to there. So of course, you know, once you cut it, you can't put it back. There are connectors available out there that you can get, but generally you cut it to the right length and be done with it. Measure twice, cut once, and there you go. Self-stick with the adhesive. They give you the clips for it in case you wanted to bolster that on top of it. All around, an excellent strip light set from Vont. And there's more. This strip light set, it's got a lifetime warranty. Anything goes wrong, contact Vont, and they'll take care of it. Now you're going to say, well, there's a million sellers of strip lights out there, and I bought one years ago and I had a problem and I tried to contact them. No. Vont is a different company. They've been around for a very long time. I have been consistently impressed with their products. I have quite a number of them, and I've had relations with them as well through email and that. They are excellent through and through and through. So that lifetime warranty, they're going to be around. You'd really have nothing to worry about. Excellent set of strip lights from Vont. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find this item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.